Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup accessories, specifically the must-have for any beauty enthusiast on the go, the Falliny Retractable Kabuki makeup brush. This compact and stylish brush isn't just your average makeup tool. It's the best travel blush brush available in the market, and here's why. First off, let's talk about its design. The retractable compact design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for daily makeup application or travel. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or simply touching up your makeup throughout the day, this brush is the ideal size to tuck into a travel bag or keep in your purse. But what really sets this brush apart is its soft and silky brush hair. Made with high-quality synthetic fibers, it's super soft and perfect for blending liquid foundation, sunscreen, blush, cream, and more. Plus, it's designed not to absorb foundation into the brush itself, ensuring a flawless application every time. Now, let's talk about longevity. The Travel Powder Blush Brush comes with recycled aluminum, increasing the longevity of your brush. Not only does it look stylish, but it's also easy to clean. Simply use makeup brush shampoo regularly to lengthen brush health and prevent excessive shedding. And let's not forget about the power of beauty this brush brings. With its lid, it's great for everyday makeup, offering natural-looking coverage on every part of your face, cheeks, body, legs, you name it. Looking for the perfect gift for a makeup lover in your life? Look no further. The Falliny Retractable Travel Powder Foundation Brush makes an excellent gift for anyone who loves makeup or is just starting to experiment with it. So there you have it, folks. The Falliny Retractable Kabuki Makeup Brush, the best travel blush brush on the market. Don't settle for anything less than flawless makeup application wherever you go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay beautiful.